one of the reasons I do the videos with my two friends here is, first of all, to keep us busy. Second of all, to make sure that we live forever, or as long as the as long as the power stays on and you can watch YouTube. Where are you going there, huh? Hey there, you. Yeah. Sonny's almost 15. Yeah, you've been through a lot like everybody else, huh? You've seen it and you've done it. Come on, honey, it's getting wet out here. One of the things about... Oh, yes, I know, hon. I'm sorry. One of the things about as you get older, you're less and less in your right mind, whatever that means. So, oftentimes we don't know enough to come in out of the weather, do we? Which leads us back to the question of why do we do these? Why do we do these videos with the cat and Bukowski? Well, why do you do anything that you do? Myself, I'm trying to find things to do so that I don't go completely crazy that quick. This man he wanted to be James Cagney. I've determined that he really wanted to be James Cagney. Myself, we've talked about this, I wanted to be James Dean. So, we're going through all of this. Well, hello there again. Yes. We're going through all of this to talk about this poem that I'm going to read to you that Bukowski wrote in the late 1970s, for what it's worth. It's about a movie called City for Conquest, which was a movie from 1940 that starred James Cagney, and that I saw when I was about 11 or 12 or something, back when you could watch movies on television. Long time ago. Before everything else. And so I want to read you this poem. Are you still with me? Good. What do you do artistically? Are you creative out there? Do you try? Do you worry about the result as much as the doing? I don't know. Which is more important? The stuff that I've done is really starting to add up now. Some of it's better than other stuff all the way around. Some of it's more important. Some of it's been watched or listened to or whatever by a lot more people than other different little bits. What the hell? The main thing is doing. And if you're an artist, or if you have an artistic bent, then you know you do what you do. This is one of my silly little side trips here. Are you still with me? I do these things trying to keep from being too terribly unhappy for too terribly long. Hope you enjoy it. This one is called Love and Courage. The one I liked was where Cagney fought in the ring, got punchy so he could earn money to give his brother music lessons. The brother wanted to be a classic pianist, was said to have great talent, but they both came from the Lower East Side, and so Cagney got into the ring again and again for money to help the talented brother become a classical pianist. Cagney even loses the girl to his brother, and it ends with his brother making it at Carnegie Hall, if I remember. And Cagney punched out and blind at his newsstand listening to the radio, to his brother in the concert hall, and of course the girl is at the hall, adoring, wild-eyed as Cagney warms his hands over a small fire. Alone in the cold, he listens to the radio as his brother plays the piano. Cagney, not knowing shit about music and hearing the final applause, believes that all the beatings he has taken were worthwhile. That's right, kitty. You take a nice, long, good one, why don't you? Thanks for watching my movie, folks.